What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got planned today, man. I bet y'all to see this one coming at this time, man. But it's going down. MEECH versus DOLO on the wheels. First pair of these mini shootouts I'm gonna be doing with the fleet. Been had this plan, but we finna get everything on the way. So it's gonna be showtime, man. Y'all, we got a lot coming. Cuz over here, he gonna be piloting DOLO. We got MEECH. Said we're finna get to it. DOLO, y'all know DOLO is set up for wheels. This one ain't, but they're just for entertainment. So we finna see what's to it, man. So look, y'all go ahead and drop the predictions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. Who y'all think gonna take it? Is it gonna be DOLO or is it gonna be MEECH, man? Who y'all think gonna take it, man? Y'all know DOLO got a lot of time on wheels, man. Shock set up currently for wheels and everything right now. This one set up for the radius. So, but this one got a whole lot of power. So y'all let me know, man. Run the comments up, flood the comments up. Who y'all think, man? DOLO, MEECH, head up, motor. Drop in the comment, man. So look, we finna get these things fired up and see what happens. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So look, before we take off, we're gonna get the predictions on everything. I gotta get everything in the car and put everything in there too. Cuz
what's up, man?
What one you think? What you think it called? Like me and him both know the car, they make power. They can go either way.
Yeah.
So what you thinking? With what you think? You think MEECH gonna spend too much? Or you think DOLO gonna spend too much? Or you think it's just gonna be a tight race?
Me, man, be honest, but I know these cars, they gonna be a tight race.
Think gonna be a tight race?
They won't no spin. Gonna be a tight race.
Oh yeah. That's what I said. That's what I tell y'all, man. With hard tie racing, man, hey, you just never know. It depends on the day. And let that what you do. If that's what you do all the time, your car set up, yeah, you just don't know. But we out here, man. We just having fun. Cold road, this and that. We just finna go. All right, look. So look, we got the children out here. Tiny.
Yeah.
Big MEECH and DOLO. Which one you think gonna win the race? Which one? You think DOLO? You think DOLO gonna win? So Tina think DOLO gonna win. Who you think gonna win, Sir? You think Big MEECH gonna win? Who you think gonna win?
I'm gonna go with MEECH.
You think MEECH? Yeah. She done rode and all on. Like I said, we don't know with the tires and stuff. Go ask Miss Harris who she thinks gonna win. Tell her who she think gonna win. Hey, we gotta get mother-in-law out here too. Now, my father-in-law, hey, he wouldn't know nothing. Hey, y'all, he ain't rolling down one on y'all. We gotta get him in. We gotta get him in one of these cars, boy. He be terrified, boy. We have to, hey, cause we might need to, when you get Mike, when you get Mike back, dog, we need to suck him and get him in Big Mike.
Why you scared?
We need to put him in. We need to put him in Big Mike. Any one of them, shake him up.
I tell you what, yo, when they get back, put rods in the back. See that, man? They go fish.
Yeah. They gonna get it. He love to fish. Yeah. He love to fish. That'll get it and tell you, yeah, we're gonna go fishing, but he really gonna go on a ride.
Like, that's his favorite thing. He loves fishing,
hey,
like non-stop.
Father-in-law love fishing, man. So we're gonna trick him, man. Put some fish rods. So Miss Harris, okay, we got a race about to happen. We got DOLO versus MEECH. So which one do you think gonna take the win?
Let's see, Dolo versus MEECH. The one that we rolled in.
We rolled in.
That was MEECH.
Yeah, but I think when you rolled in MEECH, did I have the slicks on her? I think I did. I think I did have I had the racing tires on. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna have the rims on, the big rims on both of them though.
Okay. I think MEECH.
You think MEECH? Okay, she think MEECH, y'all. If y'all remember, go look at the ride we took, cause that's the one she said she felt like we went on the ground. All right, so y'all, we got everybody thoughts. He gone. He gone, y'all. So we gotta get this done before the sun go down, man. So I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all, checking in, man. So the race over with. We got these nags covered up. Then I thought about it, I said, hey man, I need to check back in with y'all, cause it's getting dark and stuff, man. But y'all saw the prediction. So today, them jokers, like Cuzzo gotta get some more seat time on the hard tire. That we were just talking about, cause pushing it out. Cause being real, like me and him was just talking about, Dolo can 60 foot better. Cause it more manageable. It got power, y'all know that. It'll blister these 26s off, but y'all seen that many times. But this in comparison to MEECH, it can 60 better cause it make less power. So when it comes to hard tire racing, that's what I said, the car with the more power don't be winning all the time. Cause they really, between all these cars, on a hard tire, they can go any way at any time. We done played in all on, man. It just come down to what kind of pass you make that day. Yeah, what it really just come down to what kind of pass you make. But like he said, if you push it out better, this over here probably leave out in the front. But you know, that's the thing when we talking about engines and displacement. That's what I tell you at the end. I be trying to teach y'all no replacement for displacement. If they built right, and you can get them to work, the cubic inches gonna show themselves on the top side. Like that's why people be saying, hey, if you got a big block, they be wanting something from you. Cause if it's right, cubic inches matter. Even at 468 cubic inches, you think about people listen to a 434. People love 434 cause they're a bad engine. But if you still got a 468, even though a 468 is a common engine, it's not considered a exotic engine. 468 cubic inches is bigger than 434 cubic inches. And depending on what you put in that joker, it'll walk the dog on that 434. I'm just being real. If you got somebody that know what they doing, or if you got a S10 and an S10, Cutlass and Cutlass, Monte Carlo, one got a 434, one got a 468, both of them got the stuff in them. That 468 going, if you can manage it, it's about power management. But that's it. Big brother took that one this time. We're gonna do it round two. Like Cuzzo said, we're gonna do it round two, man. But we got y'all the footage. Y'all been wanting to see that race. don't know how the comments went. I don't know how the vote went in the comments, but we're gonna do it again, man. Like I said, I'm gonna try to dial MEECH in some then, especially when Cuzzo get some more seat time, boy, and get to put them numbers down on the hard tie. I'm gonna dial MEECH in then, like, hey, I'm gonna have to go in there, twist on the shocks and do the tire press and all that stuff. But nah, man, we had a good time, man. Good day. Like I said, we got a lot of work done today too. Even beside it, we really done filmed a lot of footage. But y'all been seeing the videos anyway coming and all of that. But I don't know what we gonna have come. We got a bunch. It's so many different ways. We got it playing, cause we've been talking about this, doing shootout with my cars. So we still got some more hard tie racing going down. Oh, this the next thing people want to see. Y'all want to see this bad. Grandma Nana versus R&B. Y'all been asking for that. So we're going to have that coming. Grandma Nana versus R&B. On the 14. I'm going to be real. Grandma Nana is at an advantage as far as hard tie. I have never ran, I keep telling y'all, I have never ran R&B on the 14. I don't know how that car gonna act. I'm gonna be real with you. With the power it make now, I feel like I can go out there and just blister. It's just gonna blister the 14. Cause I showed y'all what R&B run. That's why they gonna run against each other. I showed y'all what R&B run on the 24. R&B run on the 24s, what Grandma Nana run on the smaller tie. But like I said, it's about management. I don't know how R&B gonna come out the hole now. R&B gonna be making a little bit more power since it got a better exhaust system. But we're gonna have that coming too. We probably we're gonna put you in R&B.
Yeah, I got it, man.
Yeah, right that float. It's that. Cause y'all seen. I don't know if he'll drop the video by now or well, yeah, I dropped mine. Y'all seen mine, but he got the inside footage. So y'all he got the inside footage. So y'all seen my vlog. I don't know if Cuzzo dropped his at the time, but he shook this joker down, man. It just they call him.
They call him, man. They call him. They been what? We about 15.
Yeah, 15 years in college filter, man.
This right here kind of a little different. You got it like Cuzzo said, man. You got to take that bad boy.
You got to lightly.
Easy.
Yeah, and then they're not telling you got to hold it on the end, cause sometimes you column shield you want to grab it closer to grab it closer on the column, but like he was saying, this right here, it tight. You get it right there, they just act like it want to move, boy. So you have to grab it on the very end by the ball, like you just normal driving. But then when you grab by the ball, the farther away you go, the easier it moves. It's just like a jack. The longer a jack handle, the easier it is, or a breaker bar. The longer the handle on the breaker bar, the easier it is to brake. So it's the same thing. The farther you slide your hand, that joker will go clean in the third. It go clean in the third, man. But that we're gonna have coming next, man. We're gonna play with R&B when it come back. We're gonna put on 14. It'll probably be on 14, probably for about a week, man. I'll probably keep the rims off for a week, cause not only Cuzzo, me and him gotta get some tail time on those 14. That car been on 24 since it got remixed. Cutler Rally just been up there in the store chilling, so we don't know how it gonna act. But I tell y'all what, when we put them on there, we gonna finish them back tires, boy. It's gonna be so tight. Hey, we gonna cut up. It's gonna be some reels and everything, man. Cause y'all make sure y'all follow Cuzzo Facebook page, Little Crazy Whips Addiction. Cause he been having some turned up content on there. Both of us be putting different stuff on our Facebook too. Yeah. So that we don't put on the vlog. So y'all make sure y'all follow our Facebook. Y'all know my Facebook, JMalcom 2004 Ride / JMalcom. So check that out. We put some turned up footage, some pictures and stuff. Cause Facebook more integrated with pictures. So we do pictures and all type of stuff, man. And both of us, we can interact more too with y'all on the Facebook. Like we more interactive in the comments and active and stuff. So y'all make sure y'all go check that out. But we got some stuff coming. Even though it's winter time, we still turning up all year. So y'all seen the first race of the series. We're gonna do round 2, but right now in the series we doing hard ties. So it's gonna be some more matchups. Y'all gonna see this one versus this one, this one versus this one. Like y'all gonna see all of them, the whole circle, the whole circle. Yeah, hold on, I take that back. Well, this one, y'all ain't gonna see this one versus this one just yet, cause I still ain't revealed what type of time it's on. But y'all see on the hard tie. But yeah, it coming, man. It's coming. But yeah, man, that's it. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.